Hello friends, welcome to the new session. Today we are going to draw unicorn. Let's get started. As we are done with the sketch, now we'll start painting. But before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Brookie and Colors. Let's start painting. Now we are painting ochre. Now we are painting pink. Now we are painting blue. Now we are painting green. Now we are painting yellow. Now we are painting purple. Bye bye. See you in the next video.